Hello everyone, today in this video I will show you how to reduce screen brightness and auto lock in iPhone 16 Pro Max. So first of all, before watching this video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings and then click on display and brightness. And if you want to reduce your screen brightness, then simply swipe left to reduce your brightness, and here you can see the option auto lock. Click on auto lock and here you can select any option. Your screen will be locked in within 30 seconds, 1 minute, 2 minutes, 3 minutes, 4 minutes and 5 minutes, and never. And if you can select never, your screen will not be sleep while using this button. If you can push this button, then your screen will be sleep. So after that, go back and click on accessibility, and now click on display and text size, and now scroll down and here you can see the option auto brightness. If you turn this button on, then turn it off. After turning off auto brightness, your problem will be fixed. So this is the way to reduce screen brightness and auto lock in iPhone 16 Pro Max. Thanks for watching this video.